Hi friends, this is Cory from Cory Style, and today I have a new unboxing video for you. So I know I said I was probably gonna stop buying dolls for a time, but I have been looking for this doll and I finally found her on Amazon for a good price, so I decided to buy her. She's so pretty. Let me show you. Her name is Jett Dawson. She's from the series 1. She's a collector edition, and she comes in this pretty box. The edges are made of plastic. This is the back, okay, and the bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna take her out of the box together with all the accessories, and then I'll come back to you. Okay, my friends, I am back. I took her out of the box, and these are all the accessories and stuff that came with her. So we will start by removing some stuff in here. First of all, she comes with the normal stand. Her color is a little bit like, for me, looks a little bit silverish, but it's super light. It has the rainbow logo at the bottom. And of course she also has her own comb. She also comes with I think some assemble instructions in here, but the important part in this little bag is this. So she also comes with this hanger. Okay, this one is like a very light gray, and the other part of the stand. There we go. So I'll put this on the side. She also comes with this mannequin. It's actually a little bit soft. I don't know if you can see in this part, especially if I can push the fabric a little bit. The bottom, top. It comes with wheels. So this is the mannequin, and I think, yeah, the wheels work. They are a little bit stuck in there, but it's a very nice thingy to have. So this is very pretty. I was very excited with this doll. I wanted to get her in the beginning, but she was usually expensive or out of stock, and this time I found her at Amazon for a very good price. I don't know, I think I have never said this in this channel, but I have 2 careers or 2 degrees, and the second of them is actually fashion design. So I was very excited with this doll because of the mannequin, the tape, the tiny sewing machine that I will show you in a second. She also comes with 2 boxes, 2 clear boxes. Let me open it. This one has the hanger in here. I'll leave it in here just for a little bit more. And the tiny one has some pretty shoes. Okay, so this is the second clear box. They are golden on the edges, as you can see. These are the second shoes she has. As you can see, the bottom part is rainbow colored. This part is plastic, all of this, but the ribbon, of course, is made out of fabric, and it says rainbow. So these are very pretty. I'm gonna leave them in here because it's easier to store them this way. Okay. And the other thing that I was very interested in was this sewing machine. I can remove it easily. So mine is a little bit misprinted in here. I don't know if you can see it. I mean, it's okay. It does not bother me at all. It's not like a big misprint. And let me show you in here. I hope you can see, but the needle goes up and down when you rotate this thing. So I think that's very cute that it has some movement. Of course you cannot sew with this thingy, but it's a very cute accessory to have, especially here with all this fashion design thing going on. So I think this and the mannequin were some pieces that excite me a lot when I got this doll, or when I saw this doll. So I'm very happy to have her. And let me remove this so we can start with the doll. So she has 2 outfits. This one, I have seen a lot of people, they put them on the mannequin just to display. I will leave it in this plastic mannequin for a bit. It goes all the way down here, the mannequin. Oh, you can see in here, like the tag, it says Rainbow High 2021. This is the inside of the dress, so it has lining and all. That's very nice. And this is the top part. As you can see on the front, she has like a ribbon. It's kept in place with these tiny tags. I'm gonna leave them there just because I will probably be displaying this dress. On the back, we have this ribbon. It has some threads in here, but I mean, we can just cut them. And this is the inside. Here's the doll. First of all, I need to check the movement. Okay, she can move the head, front, back, and sides. She's a bit wobbly, but it's okay. She has some pretty makeup. The eyes are super pretty with stars. The lipstick, I really like her color. She comes with this cool outfit. It's like black and white. It reminds me of that effect on the comics. She has another rubber band in here. I will leave it there for a while. She's wearing gloves too. She has gloves and black nails, which are very, very cool. She has this skirt. It's kind of, the fabric is plasticky, like imagine a raincoat. It's kind of that type of fabric. Okay, she has these stockings. These are very interesting. It's like skin color, and then you have this design on top of them. The shoes are also very pretty. They have the same effect, like comic effect. The printing this time is also a little bit off, but I don't mind. It's a little bit off in there, nothing much. This is the back of the shoes and the bottom of the shoes. So this is the back of the jacket too, the back of the skirt. The pocket is just printed in here, it's not a real pocket. Jacket has some printings in here. Okay, she has this another shirt underneath with the Rainbow High logo. This is very, very pretty and well detailed. The only thing I noticed is, I know this doll is a collector edition. I feel the hair is a little bit messy. The hair is all over the place. She has this cute bun on top. I will leave it in there for a while. Maybe in the future I will remove the bun, because if you leave the bun in there, then the back looks like this, like the color becomes shorter and you have all this space in here. So I will probably remove this bun and see the hair, because a lot of people... Let's remove it right now. I wanted to show you, okay, yes, she's missing a lot of hair in this part, which is weird because I mean, this is a collector edition doll, so I would imagine they will add more in details to this type of dolls, like be more careful with them. But yeah, she has a big bald spot in here. Of course, I'm gonna style her in the future and I will show you the results. I will be posting pictures on my Instagram whenever I do that. So if you want to see the result, I will leave it on the description below, as it's Cory style, so you can find me easily there. Hi friends, sorry for the sudden camera change. I was recording and my camera ran out of battery. I do not have the charger with me, but I really wanted to finish the video, so I swapped to my phone. Just to tell you that I have heard that a lot of people they have this issue with the hair. She also loses a lot of hair, as you can see in here, but I will just see how I can style it to try to avoid that spot at the top of the hair. But overall, I really like her. She's very pretty. I cannot wait to style her hair properly so I can take pictures. I'm also very excited with the mannequin and the tiny sewing machine. I think those are super cool. And well, I hope you're having a lovely day, my friends. I will see you in the next video. I will never say again that I won't buy any more dolls, because I know I will keep falling. So my friends, I will see you in the next video and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye bye.